सफल हो।
The record blaze at Thana Road and Police Bazaar on October 14th could have turned catastrophic had it not been for the brave and unsung heroes of the fire and emergency service who fought the towering flames for over 32 hours before finally extinguishing it. The blaze that gutted the Singhania building, also known as Janata Furniture Building, was one of the most devastating the state has witnessed since the fire at the old Assembly Building in 2001. As many as 100 personnel and 14 fire tenders were called in for this operation. A few fire and emergency service personnel shared about their experiences during this operation.
Nggak persyang ban latek la buntli ki lines bangitan ki lang bagi pipe juga ki branch la siat ki firefighter borok ki la press hajuk jaka Henry kata ko ka bangi press kat bangi la deh ko kam ngam teh po ko bis jong fire hatra jong gading nomor kat ladang miok ban kawang hatra jong gading dalali kam lep.
Our main operation started from 1338 say 1340 exactly, if you take around figure 1340, and it lasted 1340 on 14th of October, and it lasted till 22 hours of 15th. That means total hours is around 32 hours 20 minutes around.
As regard to the experience, what you were asking, this sort of fire are very rare and very dangerous. It happened once in so many years. I remember when I recall my memories, the first fire of this type was in 2001 when we experienced that assembly fire, and I believe this is the second largest fire we have faced.